Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 6. This module we're going to talk about symptoms and conditions and look at the verbs ser and estar, which both mean to be. This week we kind of have a lot, but the next couple weeks are a little bit lighter, so hang in there for this week. All right, so we have things to read and things to watch like always. Again, we're going to be talking about symptoms and conditions and the two different verbs to be. The other thing that you're going to see under the resources is this thing that says upcoming assignment field specific project. Okay, I do not want you to start the field specific project this week because we have a lot of other stuff this week. The field specific project is due in module 8. I just have this here because the field specific project is an interview project. You need to interview someone in English, not a Spanish speaking person, an English speaking person, who works in some healthcare field that you are interested in or that you are in. So the reason this is here now is so you can start to find who you're going to interview and set up an appointment to have an interview with them. You just don't want to get to module 8 and be like, oh, I have nobody. So again, you don't want to start actually like doing it now because we have a lot of other stuff this week, but just start thinking about it and start reaching out to people to, make an appointment for them to interview them. Okay, we have the homework packet, we have the speaking assignment, we also have discussion boards, so make sure you read the articles that are posted under the readings and get your initial post in by Wednesday. And then the quiz like always. Let me know if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto.